The thing that affected me the most as DA was dealing with the victims of crime. It was mano a mano. It was me and the victim. And after 30 years, you come to realize it's time to leave. I can't do it anymore. It becomes difficult to separate your emotional being from the fact finder. To be emotionally detached, but emotionally involved in the case. You don't want your heart surgeon crying over a missed stitch and unable to see the next stitch. You don't want your lawyer or your DA to become so emotionally involved that it affects their judgment on what they have to do next, or what's the best way to do it, or what witness should you call. That guy's got to have the eye of the tiger all the time. No matter what kind of emotion he is surrounded by, or what kind of emotional setting he's in. It's tough when you walk into a courtroom and you have 400 people in the courtroom. And people are crying, and they're moaning, and they're gnashing teeth, and they're upset. And it's this boiling pot of human grief. And to remain detached from that and pursue something in a reasonable line of questioning to where a jury can understand what you're doing. So that's the tough part. And not to do it once or twice, but every time. Because as DA, people will not tolerate failure. They won't tolerate it. They don't want a DA that loses. Won't tolerate a DA that loses. Now that's not to say they can't understand if you go into a tough case. I give the public more credit than that. But you know what I'm saying. I mean, they want Dick Tracy. They want somebody that's going to go out there and get it on. It's like telling Babe Ruth, you get a home run every time. Not once in a while, every time. And then in 4 years, we'll let you know if we want you back. I think that wears on you, the personal experience wears on you. No job in the world like it, though. No job in the world like it.